Hello, I am Sajido Safipour, a Google Ads expert from the Ashtier Group. Today, we are here to review the Google Ads reports section together. Generally, we use the reports section for two purposes. If you are a campaign manager and have a large number of accounts to handle, and you need to report to your client within a specific time frame, certainly the Google Ads reports section can fully assist you in this area. You can obtain comprehensive visual reports of your campaign performance and provide them to your clients. However, the more important goal we pursue in the reporting section is to be able to monitor our campaigns correctly and systematically and to examine their issues. If you are a campaign manager with many accounts, it is crucial for you to quickly understand the reasons for the decline and problems in your campaigns. Because this task, is exactly the point where you can decide what action to take to prevent and solve the decline and the problem that has arisen in your campaign. We refer to this as campaign monitoring. If I want to summarize it very briefly, it's that we should first be able to identify in the shortest possible time which campaign is responsible, like how much cost is associated with the most leads we've received from which campaign or ad group. For example, if the cost of our campaign remained constant, but we noticed that the number of conversions has dropped. We need to understand where this drop in conversions is coming from, and in other words, figure out which campaign or ad group has changed and which campaign is now getting those clicks and that traffic. We are incurring the same costs, but the number of conversions has decreased. This is about understanding the performance trend of our campaigns. Evaluate over time using different metrics and gain the understanding insight needed to determine what actions we should take for each campaign to prevent its decline and return to previous conditions. So, in fact, reports provide you with the ability to compare the time period when your campaign had good input and you were receiving a suitable number of conversions with the time when you experienced a decline and now want to return to the previous state. Join me in the next video so we can thoroughly and meticulously review all these points we've discussed together and move forward.